I'm a single mother of 2 beautiful children. I was struggling financially, and I knew that I needed to make some changes to provide for my children and to break the chain of financial illiteracy that was prevalent in my family.
You know, growing up in the rural South and being the youngest of 8 kids in a single-income family, life wasn't easy. Though I had a good moral foundation and I knew right from wrong, I didn't know anything about money.
I knew I had to do something different so that my children would never find themselves in the financial situation I faced before becoming a member and a representative of Financial Destination Incorporated.
I have been in this industry now for 29 years. With FDI, I have finally found a company that can give me the financial success I was looking for.
For 22 years, I was in the restaurant business, and I worked 14, 16 hours a day. All of a sudden, here comes Financial Destination to give me residual income month after month after month.
For those of you who do not know what residual income is, it's money that comes in month after month for something that you do one time.
When I began FDI, I had just enough money in my bank account to pay for the membership with an additional $10 to spare. I now view the cost of my first month as a deposit because I made it back, plus my next month's membership within 2 weeks. Within about 4 months, I began earning a 4-figure monthly residual income, and within 5 months, I earned a car bonus.
We're going to be starting a family soon, and because of FDI's residual income, I'll be able to leave my job and stay home and take care of our new baby.
When I first looked at the income opportunity that Financial Destination had to offer, I was a full-time real estate investor. See, I had already figured out that no job could ever provide the income and time freedom to do the things that I wanted to do. At the age of 20, I started in this industry, and at the age of 23, I was able to fire my boss.
In less than 90 days, I achieved a residual income that exceeded what I had done with all the previous companies, including the most recent one I was with for over 5 years.
While I was referring memberships to everyone I could talk to, I became a product of the product. My credit score is continually being enhanced. My average American Cash Millionaire date gets accelerated every month. And following the guidelines of the financial experts within FDI, I now have a retirement plan, and my children will actually be able to choose whether they go to college or backpack around Europe when they graduate high school.
And FDI has provided me with the opportunity not only to build wealth for my family, but for all my real estate clients. As a realtor, I meet people every day who are struggling. And thanks to FDI, I now have the tools to help them.
With Equity Tracks, we'll have a house that we purchased last year paid off in 9 years, saving us over $180,000 in interest savings alone. Also with Equity Tracks, we're on track to become millionaires, and if we were to stay on a creditors plan, we'd still owe them more than $57,000.
I just wanted to say how much this company has meant to me and my wife and my family. Just 5 short years ago, I was a second-grade school teacher living paycheck to paycheck. Now, just in a short amount of time, now I'm doing the things that my wife and I deserve to do whenever we want. We're not punching a clock or anything, and that means more to me. Now I have time freedom, which I never had before.
I love what FDI has done for me and my family. It's made it possible for me to stay at home and be my own boss and his.
And believe me, that's true.
Since becoming a member of FDI, I've been able to develop myself personally and step up to become a leader and help others achieve what they would have thought to be impossible.
My FDI roadmap has already changed my life and has helped me separate myself from others in the real estate profession.
What this business has given me and my family is freedom. Not only financial, but time. And I believe that time is the most important. Because you can go out there and make all the money in the world that you want to make, but if you don't have the time to enjoy it, it means nothing.
Guys, anybody can do this business. I started hanging around with people I wanted to be like financially. And when you hang around with self-motivated, positive people, it rubs off. Financial Destination is full of those people.
I love doing what I do, and I look forward to working my FDI business every day. It has allowed me to actually change people's lives and make a great living in the process.
Between airline, hotel costs, and eating out, we've saved hundreds using the first class benefits and rewards program.
These days, I wake up in the morning when I want to and not when I have to. I can't wait to share FDI with others, and it gives me a great feeling knowing that I have the ability to offer somebody something that can absolutely change their life.
Money's great, but having the ability to change the lives of others is worth so much more.
Through this opportunity, and Financial Destination has increased our credit scores, increased our financial literacy. So what I really recommend you do is please take a look at Financial Destination. This is saving thousands and thousands of people's lives all over across the country, and I would love for you to be a part of this mission.
The company has completely changed my life, so much so that I just get excited thinking about sharing this opportunity for change with everyone.
Please, take a look at this opportunity seriously, because I know if it can change our lives, it can do the same for you and the people that you care about.
My daughter once told me, you know life is good when you don't want to go to sleep at night because reality is better than your dreams. Go make your dreams a reality.
In your lifetime, you only get a couple chances to make a lot of money. Is this your first or your last?
Remember, opportunity don't go away, it just goes to someone else. If you keep doing what you're doing, you'll keep getting what you're getting. If nothing changes, nothing changes.
Today we are totally free because of what you are about to see. Take this opportunity seriously, because remember, opportunities don't go away, they simply go to someone else.